Welcome to today's review of the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado, the latest in luxury and performance from Cadillac. This iconic nameplate returns with bold styling, cutting-edge technology, and impressive power. Let's dive into what makes this car stand out in its class. The 2025 Cadillac Eldorado is equipped with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine producing 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse takes the Eldorado from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds, rivaling many sports cars. It pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifts and an engaging driving experience. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those who want enhanced control in all conditions. The ride quality is superb, thanks to Cadillac's advanced magnetic ride control system. It adapts instantly to road conditions, balancing comfort and performance seamlessly. The Eldorado also features an upgraded chassis for improved handling and stability, making it a joy to drive on winding roads or open highways. Step inside, and the cabin matches the performance with ultimate luxury. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum create an upscale environment. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 38-inch curved OLED display, offering sharp graphics and easy access to navigation, entertainment, and performance settings. A 36-speaker AC Studio reference sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Safety is paramount with Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. These features make the Eldorado not just thrilling to drive but also incredibly safe. Now let's talk pricing. The base model starts at $92,000, offering a balance of luxury and performance. Opting for the platinum trim with additional features and all-wheel drive pushes the price to around $115,000. While it's a significant investment, the Eldorado offers a mix of heritage, luxury, and performance that few can match. That's our look at the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado. Let us know in the comments what you think about its return and whether it's worth the price. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.